given 2x squared minus 8x plus 5 equals 0. Solve the equation by completing the square and using inverse operations. Okay, I'm going to use an area model for this one. So I'm going to draw my little window. I'm going to start out by factoring this 2 from the first two terms. This is going to be 2x squared minus 4x. And then I'm going to have the plus 5 on the outside. So I'm going to put the plus 5 on the outside. I'll put the 2 here on the outside on the left. X squared goes here. Negative 4x has to be split evenly between the top right and bottom left. So that's going to be negative 2x here, negative 2x here. I'm going to scoot this over a little bit. X squared becomes x and x. If this is x and this is x, this is a negative 2. Same over here, negative 2. This is negative 2 and this is negative 2. This would be a positive 4. And then I added 4 here, but I have 2 of these windows. So I actually added 2 times 4. And since I added it here on the inside, I have to subtract it here on the outside. All right, so now we can rewrite this as 2x minus 2 squared. And then I have 5 minus 2 times 4, which is 5 minus 8, which is minus 3. And that's all going to be equal to 0. So now we start undoing things. If I add 3 to both sides, I'm going to have 2x minus 2 squared equals 3. Divide both sides by 2, so I get x minus 2 squared equals 3 over 2. Take the square root. X minus 2 equals plus or minus square root 3 over 2. Add 2 to both sides. X equals 2 plus or minus square root 3 over 2. So what this means is this 2, that's our axis of symmetry, and this square root 3 over 2, that's our distance to the x-intercepts. So that's going to be our answers right here. Line of symmetry was x equals 2. Distance from the line of symmetry to x-intercept, square root 3 over 2.